Perfect. The roof of the Porsche fell on my head.
Morning, gentlemen. You're here already?
I'll park and we'll be right there.
You're always the last one. Well done.
I noticed that our guests have already arrived.
Everyone has already arrived?
Daniele has already arrived.
I'm here waiting for you.
I thought I was early.
Yes, I was alone when I arrived.
Morning, Mr. Daniele. All good?
Everything is very good, thank you.
Yes, except for the gloomy weather. A better time to start building an Audi 80. If the damage is too great, this ends now. First and only episode, but it doesn't matter.
If there are a lot, instead you have to go eat a lot of pizzas.
Exactly.
Because it means that the budget here is tight.
Welcome to episode 1 of building my Porsche Rauh-Welt Begriff. We're about to check the damage and test it. I'm a little nervous.
The weather's perfect to test a Carrera 2.
Rear wheel drive, rain perfect.
Perfect.
Let's go inside.
Let's go. It wasn't supposed to end like this.
This is the first time I'm driving my Porsche 964.
I'm scared out of my mind.
First, start like this.
Okay, it's on. And this indicator?
It shows the spoiler is on.
Or did it turn off?
The key is over there, you know?
It's true, it's true. Come on, let's go.
But the spoiler, I want the spoiler.
Yes, it went up, it went up.
Did it go up?
Yes.
Perfect.
But this car is turning off.
Did you get how they wore out the clutch?
Yes. Where should I go?
Wherever you want. Yes, it's this way. Go, 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 go. Oh my God.
I don't even know my gear. Fourth?
There's a slow motion effect.
Oh, damn it. This car is weird to drive.
Guys.
Especially the feet.
Okay. And the wipers?
I'd say use them sparingly.
Oh my God.
He'll pay for the massage center.
Okay, speed up a little. Okay, he got it. He's got it, but I'm scared. Guys, this is officially my Porsche 964 Carrera 2.
We're going to check out all its flaws, starting with the bumper.
Let's start from the outside and then move to the inside. For every flaw he points out, count a plink plink.
10 points.
Of euros that are gone. So pray for me, leave a like, comment, use your high points, even though I'm not really sure what they're for.
What is it?
I'm not sure, it's new on YouTube.
Hype points? Hype points.
Mr. Daniele, what's up?
Front bumper, you can see it's a bit scratched, but you know the front bumper is going to go anyway, so I'm selling a front bumper. Porsche 964.
With pop-up headlight, by the way. See how nice it is here. All nice like this.
And here the air intakes will be installed, so you can see this.
So you see the drying cloth.
Ah, and that's the headlight.
And Bob's, that's a complete headlight like that one.
Which I would like to keep original, like this.
Damn, it's boring. Oh well, we'll keep it original.
So we won't even talk about the bumpers. Moving on, we can just look at the basic service stuff.
There's a little scratch.
Yes, but the car will be repainted anyway, so we're not worried about the paint.
Brushes and convertible.
Okay, thank you. Let's add another 20 euros.
That one too? 30 euros.
The exterior bodywork, as you can see, isn't in great shape, but it's decent. The sunroof doesn't let water in.
I see a flaw here.
That side skirt here was probably resealed with silicone on top.
But this doesn't worry us, because this side skirt here,
as you can see on the other, always this one. See, it's coming off even now.
Please don't destroy it, thanks.
Do you need to use it later?
Yes.
Then wait.
I'm scared of the jump. We'll crash the Porsche the first time we drive it.
Even less, guys. I mean, take it easy.
I'm afraid it'll stall.
You look like you're 98.
Guys, do you want to try and experience a unique thrill? Try this Porsche 964. Okay, look.
Okay. Oh, but it really picks up speed, huh?
Yes, but you can brake. Another bump is ahead.
Oh, sorry.
You can honk.
Does it work?
What big horns?
Horns? The rims, I saw them, but well, we're not interested.
I'll skip the rims since our friends already know it works.
Maybe I want to resell them and have to sell them.
And you sell them scratched.
For less. So guys, if you're interested in these rims, this side skirt and the bumper, subscribe. You never know.
If you spend enough, we'll autograph and ship them to your home.
Let's move on to the part.
The best part.
Rear.
The best part, the ass.
Yes, can I tell you the bad thing right away?
I think the mud has cracked.
I've already ordered the part, plus 500 euros.
No, mine is 500 euros.
As you can see.
Yeah, it's not a scratch, it's cracked.
Well, I've already ordered it. It'll arrive.
I'll say it's broken, as we said.
I'll say it's broken.
Do you want the spoiler as a man?
We don't say how we want things. Everything will happen in its own time.
But I don't even know myself. Have you already decided or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right, let's see if there's the brush. Look at that movement.
What kind of movement should it make?
Incredible.
Beautiful.
But in my opinion, cool. In the back, nothing to report, except that anyway, the rear bumper. You'll get the new one with the 2 exhausts.
It currently has 1 exhaust. Later there will be 2.
Excuse me, does it say Carrera too?
This is a nice little detail. This writing will go away because there will be another one.
But is it Carrera too?
Carrera 2.
So it's the first RWB Carrera 2?
Let's not stay. Let's go first.
Let's discuss Porsche's history.
All right, let's drop it.
Let's drop it.
Let's move on to this part.
Drawing the side panel. The wheel looks nice too. Always. Brake calipers. We could likely do even better. Then they put black on top. Are those calipers? Who knows?
Very beautiful.
The entire brake system, calipers, discs, brakes, will need upgrades, just like the ones we've done before, calipers. These original ones will stay, but we'll need to sandblast them, paint them, and apply the stickers, the original ones, under the light,
Plus drilled discs.
drilled discs, pipes, braided lines.
Very good. Come on, ma'am, it's stuck.
You burn the clutch. That's how you burn it, Moving on to the door, which is still perfect, I'd say. Could you open the hood if you know how?
In theory, I know how to open the hood.
The one in the front, huh?
Well, like all of them. I mean, tell me. Let's go check out the engine, because this car has 2 engines, 1 electric and 1 traditional.
A little piston to lift this thing, and I pay for it. Here, well, what's that? It's one of the 2 contacts of the brake fluid reservoir, which I think needs a bit of fixing.
So it breaks halfway.
No, it doesn't tell you when you're out of brake fluid, nothing important. Shit, is that raincoat yours?
It is now.
Oh, they even gave us the raincoat.
And mopping the wet floor.
All right, so there's nothing to report here?
I'd say nothing special. No critical spots of rust. They say they're all rotten in the front, but I'd say this one isn't. Strangely, it's rusted in other places, but not in the front, so I'd say that's very good.
Okay. Oh, but it does have some, huh?
Performance rating?
6.
6. I would have given a 7.
Oh no, now.
There's the tractor.
Now it's going to turn off 100%.
I'm a little scared. Why did I take this shitty road? Because starting is my problem.
No, leave her alone.
Should I leave her there?
Leave her there. You go through. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
At the clutch, it would be good to bleed it. No, but why don't we just change it?
Because you don't know how to use it? That's why. I'll just stick my arm out. Do you have a white handkerchief to wave?
But you're married now. You don't need these anymore. No, for emergencies.
Yeah, okay, I'm going. Oh my god. I think we should change the clutch after this lap. Goodbye. Let's move on to the inside part.
What's that? This is a mess. And do you see down here? There could already be a spot of rust. Rust that's starting to show. But we're going to break it apart anyway. This will probably be a bit longer and more expensive job because we'll have to restore this part of the sheet metal. So we'll have to completely remove the sheet metal and fix it, rebuild it.
And who's going to pay for it, guys?
You're not paying.
So the drawer is already open, but it won't open.
Quality, how do you open it?
Like this.
Okay, here is my booklet, here is my insurance.
So we can drive. Are they here?
Some things.
There are some things here. It's true. I hadn't seen this, but we found out there was a window button that wasn't working. In fact, we also replaced one on ours. Now that you mention it, cool.
Oh, Madonna, I've already ordered this one.
So, I'd like to point out to everyone at home, why do you have to ruin the Porsche like that?
Nice, nice.
Later we'll do it with your Skoda too. Yes, as you can see, gentlemen, the gear knob looks like it was chewed by a dog. This definitely needs to be replaced. How? I don't know.
Along with this little piece here. You see it's broken here. And here it has some holes that, in my opinion...
Nice.
Aftermarket.
Why do you always have to break everything?
No, it's made like this, see?
Does it work?
Of course it works.
And what is this button for?
This one here is the I don't give a damn button. All the warning lights that come on the dashboard, press this and they turn off.
Good, everything's fine here. Here it seems the air conditioner works. But what's that noise?
It's the fan.
This is to keep you from sleeping.
The fan.
Is it the air conditioning fan?
Yes.
Something's missing down there, check it out.
Alright, come on. Okay, driver's side. Looking at this door, everything seems fine, in order.
This one isn't banana shaped like the other, which is great.
The steering wheel must be replaced. It's the ugliest ever, partly due to the airbag.
By the way, yours has the airbag, but ours didn't.
Horrible, because this is the restyling. Here we have various buttons. They seem to be placed pretty well too. Odometer. This hasn't recorded the miles for 5 years, so here it says 151,000.
Who knows how many it's done in 5 years? Probably more with tax, but it doesn't matter. It's not our problem. The clock works.
Yes, it's 10 o'clock and it's 3:30. Perfect. Mirror, mirror. Perfect.
The roof of the Porsche fell on my head. Guys, this could be a beautiful intro. Roof's fine. Now I'm getting out because I need to show you the situation.
No, stay up, stay up. Let's look at the roof upholstery.
Come on, I have to redo the roof too. No, but do I have to redo the roof too?
Well, no, not the sheet metal, I mean.
And I'd like to understand how the roof opens.
I'll explain how the roof opens right away. No, is there a button down there?
How far down?
Of course, he doesn't have to fix it anyway.
The roof opened up.
Come on, it's fine like this, it's fine like this. But what is this stuff? Oh, God. Ah, yeah, it's broken. All right, come on.
Let's close it now since it's raining and we need to try.
Yeah, let's try. No, open it. Now it's a real mess.
Did I screw up?
No, but that's what the top is for. Try closing it. If you cut off my finger, go ahead. Where does it go? No, go down. I'll get a tool. Don't worry about it now.
We have a problem, gentlemen. I don't want to fix this. Come on.
Try.
Should I go?
Go.
Ole.
And the rain only gets in halfway.
Look, we also fixed the seal, by the way. Perfect, among other things.
One less job to do.
Then we'll move on to the front seats.
They're not in bad shape. They don't even have cuts.
They're in good shape, come on.
Except for the noise. Very good. Let's move to the rear.
This one?
That one? No, don't touch it. It'll break more.
No, it won't break. It's leather, but there is a hole.
The rear, like pretty much all 3-door cars, is in pretty good shape. Except for a hole, I don't know. The dog from before, in my opinion, also ate the back seat. Let's do a seat test in the back. It's a 2-seater.
I also think that if I sit down, I'll crap myself. But I'll try anyway.
Good thing I'm 173.
So I'm telling you, after I finish this Porsche, I'll have to sleep inside this Porsche because I won't have the budget to pay my mortgage anymore. So I'm also selling the front right seat for a Porsche. Obviously, you need to get a bit familiar with it first though.
Go, go, go. Stop letting off the accelerator every time. Use some muscle. Come on, I said go. Maybe avoid every pothole.
Nothing's ever good enough for this guy. Down all the way. Yes. Well, you can pick up speed even in 3rd gear.
Oh my god, 120. Nice. From 3,000 and up.
Did you see that?
Damn!
Open the engine compartment for me.
Okay, I know this one. Careful, it explodes. Is that enough?
It's an incredible change.
Ah, here we are. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not even here. What are you talking about?
Stay up.
And how do we do it?
Press it and someone will come hold them for us. The engine is there. Quick check. Look at the belts. You can read the label. So they're not bad, but we'll definitely replace them. What we always do is our maintenance. So filters, air filters, maybe we'll install something a bit sportier, or spark plugs, oil leaks. I'll tell you, since it's been parked here for a while, it was sitting here, we don't see any, so I'd say you're in good shape too.
There's also a little service record showing a service was done, but we don't know what they actually did.
From what you can see from above, I'd say it's in the same condition, if not better than the others. This always comes up on all of them.
So major work here?
No, I wouldn't say so, except for the usual ones. Just regular maintenance.
What are we doing?
Yeah, also because you'd like to use it a bit before cutting it, I guess?
If possible, yes.
Then yes, let's do some maintenance to make it as usable as possible.
They told me about the clutch, which has already been mentioned several times. In my opinion, it can be replaced as well, but you'll see.
In fact, let's remember that he makes pizzas. He's not a mechanic. It might just need a bleed because it doesn't slip, but it engages high.
Okay, but if things need to be taken apart?
I'll help you out since I see you're having a bit of trouble.
If disassembly is needed, no.
We take things apart,
Wouldn't it be better to do it directly?
Let's break everything.
So, a total vote for the car.
Vote as an owner, vote as a technician who will have to work on it.
Engine 7.
6.5.
Front interiors, 6.
3.5.
Rear interiors, 7.
5 less. Make a hole, pussy.
Overall exterior, 6.5.
5, and we're giving it away to him.
Every extra point is 10,000 euros more that I'll have to spend. Well, I'd say we can wrap this up.
1, 2, perfect. Nice, where are we? I know, perfect. Where are we? I don't know. Just follow the truck and you'll find it easily. We're not in Milan.
When you drive something new, you feel lost at first, at least on the outside. But I know where I am.
Perfect.
Well, do you want to go for another round?
Beautiful.
And I thought I had bought a piece of crap.
Yeah, I swear, but no, it wasn't, especially for the price.
Given its condition, I said we couldn't make the video.
Keep in mind that you're not really using it, so to speak. No, but this car before destroying it.
But how beautiful.
Then, when it gets wider, does it change?
You can already feel how easy and simple it is to drive.
It's super responsive.
Yeah. Cool, amazing. Okay, this car is low. In 10 years, I won't be able to get in here anymore.
So when you're my age?
Nice.
We've already voted and are satisfied. Gentlemen, that's all for this gloomy day. That's it for this episode. In the next episodes, it's still not clear what we'll do, but I'll bring you something. If you're a company, if you want to collaborate on the car, if you want to participate in the event as a company, anything at all.
If you're just people who feel sorry for this poor man and want to give him some money,
contact me by writing, emailing mirkopadoin1@gmail.com or messaging me on Instagram.
We'll make arrangements and discuss it later, since the event is undecided.
work in progress. Let's focus on the car first, then the event. Come on.
That's it. Thank you. See you in the next episode. Video RFP Italia. Bye.